Welcome back to Math Solver 1117 where math become easy and fun. In today's video, we will start solving AQA A Level Maths hard integration question. Question number 1 is integration of 6x square minus 4x plus 5 into dx. You have to solve this question. So we will solve this as first of all we will integrate first one. It will become 6x cube and this is divided by 3 minus 4 of x square. This is divided by 2 plus 5 of x plus c. So this will become equals 2x cube minus 2x square plus 5 of x plus c. So now we will solve another question. One thing you have to remember, if there is no limits are given, then sign of intersection integration you don't have limit, then C is V in the answer. If the limits are not, C will be, and if there are limits given, then you will find the limits value. Now we will solve another interesting question here. Now we will solve another question, that is dy by dx 4x cube minus 6x plus 2, and you have to find the value of y. For this purpose we will integrate this, then integration of dy by, and in this side you have 4x cube minus 6x plus 2 into d of x. What will happen? This will become equals y, and this side is 4x power 4 by 4 minus 6x square by 2 plus 2 of x plus c. Now you have to find its value as at x equals 1 and y equals 5. Find the value of c. So we will solve this further as we will put y equals 5 and x equals 1. So 5 equals 4 minus 3 and this will be 2 plus c. So c will equals 4 and 4 are cancelled out, so this will become 1. 1 minus 2 is minus 2 plus 2 plus c. So this is 5. So value of c will be 5. So y will equals x4 minus 3x square plus 2 of x plus 5. Now we will solve another interesting question. Now we have question that is y equal integral from 0 to 2 x square plus 2 of x d of x. So how we will solve this? We will solve this as first of all do this integration. This is x cube over 3 plus 2x square over 2 and limits are given from 0 to 2. First of all 2 is substituted, so 8 by 3 and plus 2 into 2 are cancelled out, so 2 square is 4. LCM will be 3. 8 plus 12, 20 by 3. So y equals 20 by 3 is the answer. Now we will solve another important question. We have integration of x, have to do integration of x e raised to power x d of x. So there are two functions are given. So in this type we will apply integration by parts. So solve this by integration by parts. In this we will do first function as it is and integral of the second function, that is e raised to power x, minus take the derivative of this first function, that is 1, and integration of the second function d of x. It will become x into ex minus integration of e raised to power x d of x. This will become x e raised to power x minus e raised to power x plus c. From this you can take e raised to power x as common. So x minus 1 plus c is the answer. If these hard questions help you in solving integration, subscribe Math Solver 1117 and also press the bell icon to get notification for all upcoming videos. In the next video, we will solve most important questions from AQA A Level Maths that are mostly repeated in exams. Keep learning, keep growing. Watch you in the next video. Stay tuned.